I used to think people who never run out of things to say were naturally confident. But then I noticed something. They were not inventing new topics every few seconds. They were just paying attention to the one thing the other person had already said. So if your mind goes blank during conversations, don't worry. You are probably not boring. You were just looking for the next topic instead of the next layer. Hi everyone, I'm Levikah and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find that next layer and keep the conversations going naturally. Point 1. Someone says I started a new job, and then we think, what should we ask next? So we ask, what's your job? Then maybe, where is it? And then our mind goes blank. But instead of only listening to the information, start listening to the meaning behind it. So you could ask, what made you choose that job? Does it feel like the change you needed? Or even, what has surprised you the most about it? These questions are different because they not only focus on what happened, they focus on why it mattered to the person. That is where the interesting conversation is. Point 2. Now comes the most important part. Almost every answer has 3 hidden doors: fact, feeling, and the meaning. Let's say someone tells you, I went on a solo trip. The first door is the fact. You can ask, where did you go? That keeps the conversation informative. The second door is the feeling. You can ask, were you nervous while traveling alone? Now the conversation becomes more personal. The third door is the meaning. You can ask, did that trip change how you see yourself? That question can lead to a real story. You don't need to change the subject every few seconds. Sometimes the best conversations come from staying on one subject for a little longer. Point 3. Most people believe that a good conversation can never have silence, but that belief creates so much pressure. The moment there is a pause, you start panicking. You think, I need to say something quickly. Then you say something random just to fill the space. But a pause doesn't actually mean the conversation is failing. You can be honest and say, I had a thought, but I lost it, or I forgot. You don't have to be entertaining every second. You can take a pause. The goal is not to become perfect at communication overnight. The goal is to make real conversations feel better. So comment below, what's the one conversation you have been avoiding lately? So this is Levikah, and if this video helped you even a little, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.